Here's how I had my biometrics collection for my Australian visa. First thing was to create an account in VFS Global. I submitted my application on July 8 and set my biometrics on July 16. You need to set your appointment within 14 days of your application. Located at Makati yung nearest VFS Global branch for me. Meron din sila sa Davao and Cebu. Yung office is just by Ayala Mall Circuit. If you have a private vehicle, meron parking dun sa mall. Maaga yung sinet kong time, 10:30 a.m. on a weekday, and it wasn't crowded at all. These are the things that I brought during the biometrics collection. Passport, cash, better if exact amount, valid government ID, VFS Global appointment letter, and S257A form. Yung last two isa-send nila sa email mo. You don't need to bring anything else except for your small bag with your phone and money. I'm not so sure about this because hindi ko pa na-try, pero sabi nung iba, if you have a big bag with you, ipapaiwan nila sa locker and you have to pay for the locker rental. Kaya better minimal lang dalin nyo. Also, wear decent casual or semi-formal clothing. Huwag yung pangbahay or revealing clothes. Light makeup is okay. I was kind of worried because I had eczema on my fingertips. 4 out of 10 of my fingers were affected, and sabi sa guidelines na if you have temporary injuries, kailangan ipa-heal nyo muna before you set the appointment. And that time, I couldn't do anything about it. Fortunately, wala naman naging problema and nabasa naman yung fingertips ko. Medyo nahirapan lang. The process was quick and easy. Iko-confirm lang yung identity nyo, take your photo, and finger biometrics. Wala naman interview about your trip. Mga 10 minutes tapos na ako.